Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos blurry in DaVinci Resolve. So make sure this timeline line is over the video and make sure you have selected the clip. Go to the Fusion page here, and then you are just going to select this button. So what this basically is, it is the blur button. As you can see, there's a blur writing here. Select it, drag it to the sort of nodes and add it here. You can choose fast Gaussian, box, Bartlett, multi-box Gaussian, and fast Gaussian. I'm just going to choose Gaussian for mine. You can then adjust the blur size here. You can also add in a keyframe, and there's also the blend. This one's more for a misty type of blur look if you adjust the blend a little bit. And that's pretty much how you can make your videos blurry in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!